everyone, so today I just got my package of contacts in the mail. It's right here. As you can see, I haven't even opened the packaging yet. I'm gonna go ahead and do so right now. So this is the packaging. It's very colorful. It's from Double TDI and it's very, very pretty. I like little small packaging. So I only ordered one pair of contact. This is why it came in such a small box. So let's go ahead and open the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this right now. Okay, wow, this box is very creative. It's very decorative. I like it. It comes with a contact case right here, and it comes with some tongs or tweezers for your contacts, and it also comes with a little stick thing so you can pick up your contact. But me being that I have been wearing contacts for so long, I've been wearing contacts ever since middle school, so I have a lot of experience with contacts. So right now I'm just going to use my fingers and hands, but they're clean, so don't worry. I'm going to use this contact case to keep my contacts in. Also, the next part of the box, there is the contacts, the actual contacts that you've ordered. I like the packaging of it. It's very pretty. It looks really nice. It's very creative, I would say. So let's open this up and see what's in it. This is how it comes. It comes in this really nice holographic packaging. It's very pretty. I like it. I like the packaging. The contacts itself right here. If you guys want to know what contacts these are, they're going to be linked down below. So if you would wish to get your own pair, you can go ahead and do that. Both of the contacts came into that little box. So basically, I'm going to go ahead and open it and transfer all the product from this into the contact lens case. Also in the box, what came is mirror, a small mirror. It's very pretty. I like it. Also, it came with a tattoo, a little artsy, flowery tattoo. It's not all that, but it's the best that they can do. It's written in another language that I can't read, so that's fine. So these are the contacts right here. As you can see, they're very, very pretty. I'm going to use my hands. It's clean. My hands are clean. These contacts are actually prescribed. I actually got the prescribed contact lenses. Put the contacts on your finger and see if it looks like a cup shape like this, then you are having it in the correct direction. But if it looks like a little like spaceship or like a flying saucer, then that is not the correct direction. So you have to watch out for that, or else your eyes are gonna burn. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it with my finger. My hands are clean, like I said, so don't worry about that. So this eye has the contact on. Wow, this is amazing. Obviously, I'm in artificial lighting, so this is gonna look a little less natural, but it looks super amazing. It looks almost real. It looks like my eyes are actually this color. I really like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the contact to the other eye, and I'll be right back. So this is how the contacts look on both of my eyes, and guys, wow, this is super amazing. It looks very real. It looks very natural. So this is a much more closer look. And it looks super natural. I love it. So if you guys like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up down below. And if you would like to see more videos like this coming up soon, then please do subscribe to my channel, just so you don't miss any videos that's coming up next. Until my next video, guys, please stay safe and take care of yourselves. Goodbye.